Capture every moment with ease and precision. The best DSLR cameras for beginners combine user-friendly controls with high-quality imaging, allowing new photographers to explore creativity, learn essential skills, and take stunning photos without feeling overwhelmed or restricted. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Canon EOS EFS DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS EFS DSLR camera is a complete photography package designed for those who want professional quality without the hassle of assembling separate accessories. This deluxe bundle includes the Canon camera body, 18-55mm lens, wide-angle and telephoto lenses, a 128GB memory card, case, filter kit, flash, tripod, and more. Everything you need to capture stunning shots in any setting. The 9-point autofocus system, paired with AI Servo AF, ensures precision and sharpness even when subjects are in motion. With an ISO range that extends up to 12,100, it handles both bright daylight and low-light environments with ease. Built-in Wi-Fi with NFC lets you share your images instantly with compatible devices or social media. The camera also features Scene Intelligent Auto, Basic Plus, and Creative Auto modes, making it ideal for beginners and experienced photographers alike. The 3.0-inch LCD screen provides a crisp, bright display for reviewing your work or composing shots. Known internationally as the Canon EOS Rebel T7, this camera combines intuitive design, advanced imaging technology, and convenient wireless features into a reliable, all-in-one setup for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Number 2. Canon EOS 2000D DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS 2000D DSLR camera delivers a perfect balance of power, performance, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners stepping into DSLR photography. Its 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, making it suitable for capturing everything from scenic landscapes to detailed portraits. The camera supports Full HD 1080p video recording at 30 fps, allowing you to create smooth, cinematic footage. With ISO ranging from 100 to 6400, expandable to 12,800, it performs impressively in low-light conditions. The 9-point autofocus system, featuring a center cross-type point, ensures accurate and consistent focus, even on moving subjects. Built-in Wi-Fi with NFC enables quick sharing of photos and videos to your smartphone or computer. Its Scene Intelligent Auto mode adjusts settings automatically for optimal exposure, while creative filters and auto modes encourage experimentation. The 2.7-inch LCD screen offers clear viewing for easy shot composition and playback. Compact, comfortable, and loaded with helpful features, the Canon EOS 2500D makes capturing professional-looking photos simple and enjoyable. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is designed to make high-quality photography accessible to everyone, from beginners to experienced users seeking reliability. Equipped with a powerful 24.1MP CMOS sensor, it captures exceptionally detailed images with true-to-life color reproduction. With full HD video recording capability, you can also produce smooth, vibrant footage. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make transferring photos and videos to your devices fast and effortless, perfect for instantly sharing moments online. The camera's 3.0-inch LCD display provides a bright and clear view for framing and reviewing shots, while the Scene Intelligent Auto mode simplifies shooting by automatically adjusting the settings for you. Lightweight and comfortable to handle, the Rebel T7 encourages creativity with easy-to-use controls and manual modes for users ready to explore more advanced techniques. With dependable performance, superb image quality, and convenient wireless connectivity, this DSLR camera is a reliable partner for both photography and videography. Number 4. Canon 55mm f DSLR camera bundle. The Canon 55mm f DSLR camera bundle offers exceptional value and versatility, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a complete photography setup. The kit includes the Canon 20000D camera body, 18 to 55mm lens, wide-angle and telephoto lenses, a 128GB memory card, case, flash, tripod, and other accessories to get you started right away. Its 9-point AF system with AI Servo AF ensures fast, accurate focusing, while the extended ISO 12800 allows shooting in dim light without compromising quality. The 3.0-inch LCD monitor is clear and responsive, ideal for composing and reviewing images. Built-in Wi-Fi with NFC allows seamless sharing to your smartphone or other compatible devices. With automatic and creative shooting modes such as Scene Intelligent Auto, Basic Plus, and Creative Auto, it caters to both beginners and more experienced users. Known internationally as the Canon EOS Rebel T7, this camera combines superior image quality, user-friendly features, and flexibility. The 3x optical zoom adds creative depth to your shots, making it an excellent all-around choice for photography enthusiasts. Number 5. Canon f3.5-5.6 Zoom DSLR camera. The Canon f3.5-5.6 Zoom DSLR camera bundle from Owl's Variety provides everything a new photographer could need for both learning and creating. It includes the Canon EOS 4000D camera body, an 18-55mm f3.5-5.6 DCI lens, a 64GB SD card, tripod, flash, case, filter kit, and multiple accessories for all shooting conditions. This camera delivers crisp images and smooth Full HD 1080p video recording at 29.97 fps. With ISO settings up to 12,800 and 3 fps continuous shooting, it captures fast-moving moments with precision. The 9-point autofocus system and optical viewfinder provide easy framing and reliable focus, while the 2.7-inch LCD screen ensures comfortable reviewing. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity makes sharing and remote shooting effortless via the Canon Connect app. It also supports guided live view shooting with Creative Auto and Scene Intelligent Auto modes, simplifying operation for beginners. The Canon Photo Companion app offers tutorials to improve photography skills. Lightweight and intuitive, the Canon 4000D is a dependable entry-level DSLR that helps users confidently capture stunning photos and videos while exploring their creative potential. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.